What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video, and if you're new to my channel, hello, and a returning subscriber, what's up? Alrighty, guys, so today I'm bringing you guys another hair review. Today I'm reviewing, let me just show you guys. This is Junoda, that's what we're gonna call it, Junoda. Okay, today we are reviewing Junoda's hair. They did go ahead and send me this beautiful closure wig. This is their 99J bone straight wig, and as you guys see, today I want to try something different. I cut a little, like, the long layers. It was so hard, y'all. Like, this was kind of hard, I cannot lie. But yes, so I did want to go ahead and review this hair for you guys. If you're interested in purchasing, I want to let you know if it's worth your coins and if it's something that you should invest your money in. This hair is actually way shorter than, like, I be liking to wear my hair, but I kind of like it because it looks natural. Like, hold on, let me show you. But yeah, I'm like kind of crammed in my bathroom right now. But this is what the hair looks like from the back. I'll put the details down below as to how long this hair is. I honestly don't remember how long this hair was, but yes, this is the hair. So like I said, keep watching the video to see if this is worth your coin and all that good stuff. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. So this is what the wig is looking like after it was washed and air dried. It has a little bit of wave to it, but this is the 99J bone straight wig. Okay, so it does have curl to it, which just lets me know that you can add like wand curls to it and it's gonna hold, because as you can see the thickness in the body of the wig already. So like, I don't know why I'm showing you out the box again, but this is the box that came in. I'm gonna show you guys the goodies. I just love when they send stuff, and they sent me a brush. Even though I just love that. I thought that was so thoughtful of them. But if you guys watch any of my hair installs, you guys know, y'all know I have to have my wig flat. I do not like bulky, humpy, dumpy, none of that. Like, I like my wig to be flat. So definitely, if you take anything from this wig tutorial, please, well, it's not really tutorial, this is just how I styled this wig. But if you take anything from this video or any of my videos, get a hot comb. This hot comb was like $10 at my local beauty supply store, and girl, just get into them roots and flat iron it, okay? So like I said, today's not an install tutorial. If you guys want a detailed install tutorial, I do have videos on my channel that can help you install your wig by yourself at home, you know, in your bathroom. You don't need a hairstylist, okay? You got Team Stacy. But today, I really want to just try the style, so I didn't really care about like a detailed install. So for today, as you guys saw, I'm using freeze spray. After I spray the lace, sometimes the freeze spray is going to get on the hair. I like to comb it out. I don't like the hair to be crunchy. I comb and then I blow dry on a cool setting. I use cool air, not hot, okay? So that's pretty much how I install the wig today. Nothing too intricate. Also, while I'm blow drying, I just want y'all to peep the eyebrows. It's giving burgundy. Please, if you guys are doing a colored wig, please take my advice. Do your eyebrows the same color as your wig, and you're gonna thank me later. But after I blow dried everything, I'm gonna put the elastic band on for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna straighten my hair in the meantime, which I kind of left the band on longer because it took longer for me to straighten my hair. But now I'm just taking an eyebrow razor to cut off the excess lace. So y'all see that lifting up? That was pissing me off. Like, I think the lace was a little thick in my opinion, so it was harder for me to lay it down. That was very, very aggravating. So I didn't like that I had to go back in to fix that. Like, y'all see my face? I was getting pissed off. So on your closures, if you're getting a closure wig, cut off that little excess tab. There's like a thick tab on the side. Cut those off, because I feel like it gets in the way of getting the lace to lay down. Obviously, I ended up getting the lace to lay down, but that was super duper annoying. I think the lace is a little thick. So just be mindful of that. You might need a few more layers of freeze spray than you typically would with this lace. So all I'm doing here is I'm just doing my baby hairs. Because this is a closure and it's not a frontal, I'm very limited. So just be mindful of that. You know, y'all know, if y'all shopping for a closure, it is what it is. Y'all, that little tab on the side was killing me, y'all. Please cut those off. Don't make the same mistake as me. So while I'm doing my edges, let's go ahead and just get into the details of this hair. Guys, all in all, I was in love with this hair. I got so many compliments. Everybody was like, girl, red is your color, red is your color. This color is super cute. Now this wig claims to be a 99J. In my opinion, this wig is brighter than 99J. This is giving burgundy reddish. It's so pretty. In person, it's a little darker rather than what's showing up on camera, but all in all, I was in love with the color of this wig. Sometimes when wigs come colored, the texture of the actual hair be like a little bit off, but this texture of the wig was still very good. It was still very silky, but it was still thick enough to hold a curl. So if I want to add crimps or curls, I know this wig is gonna do what it gotta do. So all in all, I really do like this wig. If I had to rate this wig, 1 being the worst wig I ever received and 10 being the best wig I ever received, I would give this wig probably like a 7.58. The only reason why it's not getting like higher numbers than that is because the lace wasn't laying down easy. Like, I don't like that I have to spend time laying down my lace. I wanted to spend time on this part, which is styling. So that is the only thing, but as you see, it is possible, you know, to get it done. Y'all see my face here, y'all? I was so scared. Like, I was so nervous to style this wig. It was so pretty, like naturally how it was, but I feel like I wanted to frame my face a little bit, and this was, look at me struggling, y'all. This was hard. So I ended up achieving it. I think the second time I try this style, I'm gonna get better at cutting and curling. But if you guys want a actual tutorial on how to do like a long layered wig, I will give that to you guys. But this wig, it was cooperating. It was cooperating. Like, it was looking good already. So all I did after like I cut those long layers is I'm just bumping it towards my face, because that's the look that I was going for. And honestly, this wig ate because of it. Like, it just ate. So I'm just gonna let the video ride out for the next few clips. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, like I said in the beginning of the video, all the details on this wig will be linked down below with purchasing links, promo codes, everything that you need to know on this wig. And yeah, it is very much Team Sissy approved. I like it, and it was given, and you know, I was getting compliments, so everybody liked it too. Trust. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's video. So today I wanted to give you guys, you know, a completely honest review on the Junoda. Yeah, the name is beating me up right now, but I wanted to give you guys a review on the Junoda hair. So yeah, this is how the final look came out. Tell me if you guys like it. Also, you guys know I'm all about makeup, so I did my eyebrows red to kind of match the wig, and it's just giving. I love how my eyebrows came out. I feel like it really like ties the look together. So if you are interested in getting the 99J like shade of hair color, please try it out. Try to do your eyebrows close to the hair color of the wig, and I feel like you're gonna just love it. But yeah, that is the end of the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and join the family and just do it like Nike. We are so lit on this side. I mean, it's only right that you join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you made it this far, the secret emoji is a red heart because we give it red vibes. Love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.